Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for Gmail users, which is recovering your Gmail password without a recovery email. Whether you've forgotten your Gmail password or you can't access your recovery options, we've got you covered with effective solutions. Remember to hit that subscribe button, leave us comments, and engage with our community. Now let's unravel the mystery of your Gmail password recovery. Method 1. Using recovery email.
Open your web browser and go to the Google account recovery page at g.co/recover for the most direct access. Then enter your full Gmail address in the provided field and click Next. Then choose the email option for your recovery method, and Google will send a verification code to your recovery email. Now access your recovery email inbox, find the Google email and note the verification code. Then return to the Google account recovery page, enter the code, and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. Also, be sure to create a strong and unique password.
Method 2. Using recovery phone number.
Navigate to g.co/recover from any browser. Then input your Gmail address and select Next to proceed. Now this time, opt for the phone recovery option. Google will send a verification code via SMS to the phone number linked to your account. Then check your phone for a text message from Google and take note to the code provided. Now enter this code on the recovery page, and once it's verified, you will be directed to create a new password. Also remember to pick a secure and memorable password.
Method 1. Account recovery page.
Let's first visit google.com/accounts/recovery for a comprehensive recovery solution. Then start by entering your Gmail address and proceed to the recovery options. Here, select Try Another Way when prompted for a recovery email or phone number. You may be asked to answer security questions related to your account, like your last password you remember, when you created the account, or some other personal details. Answer as accurately as possible. Then, upon successful verification, Google will allow you to reset your password, and now you have to choose a robust password and confirm it to regain access to your account.
Method 2. Contact Google support.
If previous methods do not work, seek assistance from Google support. So visit their support page related to account recovery. For this, navigate to the Google account recovery section, and here you might be asked to fill out a form providing details about your account usage to help verify your identity. This could include frequently contacted email addresses, subjects of recent emails, or secondary email addresses you might have. Then submit the form and wait for Google's response. This procedure can take a few days, as Google reviews the information to confirm your identity. Finally, follow any additional steps provided by Google to recover your account.
These detailed steps provide a comprehensive approach to recovering your Gmail password, even in situations where standard recovery options are unavailable. Resetting your Gmail password is straightforward, provided you still have access to your account. Here's how you can do it.
First, go to the Gmail website or open the app on your device. Then log in with your current username and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Here on the new page, you will find several tabs. Click on the Security tab, typically located on the left-hand side. Then scroll down to the Signing in to Google section. Now find and click on Password. You may need to sign in again for security purposes. Then enter your current password and then the new password you wish to set. Please ensure it's strong and secure, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Then confirm the new password by entering it again. Then, after entering the new password, click on the Change Password button, and here you will receive a confirmation email from Google acknowledging the password change.
Here's a very good tip for you. So after changing your password, remember to update it on all applications and devices where your Gmail is used. Now, to prevent future situations where you might lose access to your Gmail account, consider these tips. Tip 1. Regularly update recovery options. Make it a habit to check and update your recovery email and your phone number in your Google account settings. This ensures that you always have a way to recover your account if you end up forgetting your password. Tip number 2, use strong and unique passwords. Create passwords that are difficult to guess, such as using symbols, uppercase, lowercase, numbers. All of that will ensure that you have a really good password. And also, please avoid using easily guessable information, such as birthdays or common words. Tip number 3, change passwords periodically. Changing your passwords regularly can help you secure your account against unauthorized access. And please don't reuse passwords across different accounts to minimize the risk. Tip number 4, consider using a password manager. Password managers store and encrypt your passwords securely. They can also generate strong passwords and can autofill them when logging in, reducing the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. Tip number 5, enable two-factor authentication. 2FA or two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password, such as a text message or an app notification. This can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized account access. Thank you so much for watching our guide on recovering your Gmail password. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments below. I hope to see you all in our next video.